All right, let's jump right in. Today, we're going to take a look at a really modern take on 2D computer-aided design. We'll be exploring a tool called BricsCAD Lite and figuring out what exactly makes it a smarter way to handle all your drafting and documentation. But before we get into the details, let me ask you something, especially if you spend your days designing. Does your current CAD software ever feel like it's holding you back? Are you constantly wrestling with slow performance, crazy high costs, or just way too much complexity for what you actually need to do? If you're nodding your head right now, then you'll want to stick around. Because the whole idea we're exploring here is that you deserve a tool that isn't just powerful, but is actually intelligent. I mean, let's be real. Traditional CAD software can be a huge headache. You know what I'm talking about. Those sky-high subscription costs for a ton of features you never even touch, the frustrating lag when you try to open a really big file, and just a learning curve that feels like it gets in the way of, just getting the work done. And that's exactly where BricsCAD Lite comes into the picture. It's really positioned as the answer to those very challenges we just talked about. So what is it really? Well, at its heart, BricsCAD Lite is a professional-grade 2D CAD software. It's built on the DWG format, which is the industry standard, so no surprises there. The real difference, the secret sauce, is its set of AI-driven tools that are all designed to make your workflow way more efficient.
And when you first open it up, it looks pretty familiar, right? And that's on purpose. The idea isn't to make you relearn everything from the ground up. The interface is meant to feel comfortable for anyone who's used legacy CAD before, but the engine underneath is built for a much faster, much more modern workflow.
Now, before we get to all the flashy AI features, let's talk about the foundation, the everyday tools you count on day in and day out. Because look, a smart tool is completely useless if it can't nail the basics flawlessly. And this all comes down to one thing: reliability. You've got to be able to open any DWG file, no matter how huge it is. You need tools to clean up those messy drawings you get from clients, and of course, you need a full set of awesome drafting tools to create your layouts quickly and accurately. It's built to be that dependable daily driver. Okay, now for the fun part. This is where BricsCAD Lite really starts to shine. The entire philosophy is about working smarter, not harder, by using some pretty clever automation. And this is a really fundamental shift in how to think about your work. The goal isn't just to give you digital versions of a pencil and a ruler. It's to give you a partner in the design process, one that actually anticipates what you need and automates all the boring, tedious stuff.
Okay, take Blockify, for example. We have all been there. You're copying and pasting the same little group of objects again and again and again. This tool uses AI to scan your entire drawing, find all that repetitive geometry, and then automatically convert it into blocks for you. It is a fantastic example of a simple, smart tool saving a massive amount of time.
And then you've got something like Copy Guided. So instead of trying to manually line things up perfectly as you copy them, this command uses these things called guide curves to intelligently snap your objects into place relative to the geometry that's already there. It just makes complex alignment feel intuitive and fast.
And a thing that underpins a lot of these cool features is the AI Assist. As you're working, it starts to learn your patterns and can actually suggest the next tool you're likely to need. It just streamlines everything by putting the right command at your fingertips before you even think to look for it.
And that brings us to the quad cursor. This thing is so cool. It's a unique, context-sensitive menu that just kind of hovers right near your cursor. It intelligently predicts and offers the most relevant commands based on whatever object you're hovering over. Just think about how many clicks and trips to the toolbar that saves over a whole project. So smart tools are obviously great for the individual user, but what about the bigger picture? What about the team? How does BricsCAD Lite actually fit into a business environment? Well, this is where flexibility becomes absolutely key. And this chart lays it out really clearly. On one side, you have legacy CAD, which often locks you into these rigid, subscription-only models. BricsCAD Lite, on the other hand, gives you options, perpetual licenses, and subscriptions. It's also priced for the core 2D tools you actually need, not a bunch of bloated features. And crucially, it's built for high performance, even on those giant DWG files that make other programs just choke.
Now, for all the power users and CAD managers listening out there, this next point is a total game changer. BricsCAD Lite fully supports LISP routines. So why is that such a big deal? It means you can bring all of your existing LISP routines straight over from your old software. All those custom scripts your team has spent years building to automate tasks and speed up your specific workflows, yeah, they work right here, right out of the box, no starting from scratch.
So when you put it all together, the solid core tools, the really intelligent features, and the business flexibility, it all kind of leads to one big question. Could this be your next design tool? When you boil it all down, the advantage really comes down to these three things. 1. Full native DWG compatibility, no headaches with data conversion. 2. A suite of AI-powered tools like Blockify and the Quad that actually help you design faster. And 3. Flexible licensing that fits your business, not the other way around.
Which leaves us with this final thought. The whole point of modern CAD shouldn't be to just copy a drafting board onto a computer screen. It should be to elevate the entire process. So the question to ask yourself is, are you ready to stop just drafting and start truly